Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites: your combat level, weapon proficiencies, and inventory space. Once done, locate the Nightfall trigger zone. This is the single spawn method tied to Cerulean Thread. Make sure to carry escape items and a teammate if possible. The encounter scales with group size. You should reposition hotkeys for quick heals and stuns. This setup minimizes wasted runs and keeps you in the area consistently, so you can reach the rare trigger window faster. You now focus on executing the trigger reliably. Join a populated server near reset windows to increase Nightfall spawns, then stand on the exact shard tile and perform the interaction sequence. Once the event begins, you must clear timed waves while protecting the objective. Prioritize interrupting the caster who controls drops. Make sure to coordinate with allies to kite heavy hitters and use stuns on spawn-heavy moments. This controlled execution preserves the single rare drop chance tied to successful completion. You finish by looting methodically. Search corpses, event crates, and the objective pedestal for Cerulean Thread. It's only awarded on successful completion. If nothing appears, do not delay, server hop, and rerun the trigger with the same disciplined approach. Make sure the event completion flag registered in your journal. If it didn't, reset the trigger location and try with a different server. Troubleshooting tip: clear inventory and relog before a retry to avoid desync that can prevent the drop.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.